In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our lives. Whether you're a business owner, an influencer, or simply someone who enjoys sharing their thoughts and experiences online, understanding the metrics that determine your social media success is crucial. It's no longer enough to just have a high number of likes or followers. What truly matters is how these metrics translate into tangible results and dollars. Engagement rate, the heartbeat of your social media strategy. Engagement rate is the first key metric that determines your social media success. It measures how actively your audience interacts with your content by liking, commenting, and sharing it. A high engagement rate indicates that your content resonates with your audience and encourages them to take action. Why does it matter? Well, think about it this way. If you have thousands of followers but only a handful engage with your posts, then you're missing out on potential opportunities to grow your brand or business. High engagement not only boosts visibility but also builds trust and loyalty among your followers. How can you improve it? Start by creating compelling content that captivates attention and sparks conversation. Ask questions in captions or create polls to encourage interaction. Respond promptly to comments and messages from users to foster a sense of community. Additionally, collaborating with other influencers or running contests can also drive engagement levels up. Conversion rate, turning followers into customers. While engagement rate gauges how well people are interacting with your content, conversion rate focuses on turning those interactions into measurable actions such as sales or sign-ups. What's in it for you? Higher conversion rates mean more customers for businesses or more leads for individuals seeking partnerships or collaborations. Ultimately, this translates into increased revenue opportunities derived directly from social media efforts. How can you optimize it? Firstly, make sure there is alignment between your social media content and your business goals. If you're promoting a product or service, ensure that the call to action is clear and easily accessible. Consider using trackable links or unique discount codes to measure the effectiveness of your social media campaigns. Analyze data from analytics tools to identify patterns and make data-driven decisions. Return on investment, ROI, measuring success in dollars. While engagement rate and conversion rate are important metrics, they don't tell the whole story when it comes to measuring social media success. Ultimately, what matters most for businesses is their return on investment, ROI, how much revenue they generate relative to the resources invested in their social media efforts. Why should you care about ROI? Because it allows you to determine whether your social media strategy is profitable or if adjustments need to be made. By tracking ROI, you can allocate resources more effectively, invest in strategies that yield higher returns, and eliminate those that aren't delivering results. How can you calculate it? Start by identifying your key performance indicators, KPIs, such as sales generated through social media channels or leads acquired via paid ads. Then compare these numbers with the costs associated with running your campaigns, including ad spend, content creation expenses, and labor costs. Divide the revenue generated by the total investment made to obtain an ROI percentage. In conclusion, understanding these three key metrics, engagement rate, conversion rate, and return on investment, will empower you to take control of your social media success journey. By focusing on increasing engagement rates through compelling content creation and fostering a sense of community among followers, you'll build trust, loyalty, and ultimately convert those interactions into tangible actions such as sales or sign-ups. And by continuously monitoring ROI, you'll be able to evaluate the profitability of each campaign and make informed decisions regarding resource allocation. Remember, from likes to dollars, that's where true success lies in today's social media landscape. So, start measuring, optimizing, and reaping the rewards of your social media efforts.